My name is Jessie Cameron and I'm in my 4th year of a Bachelor of Nursing and Midwifery. Entering a healthcare setting as a professional in training can be challenging. Trobe's Nursing and Midwifery Simulation Lab replicates a hospital ward. It allowed me to practice my critical thinking and clinical skills in a safe and supportive environment. A highlight was working with the Fidelis Lucinda childbirth simulator that provides a realistic learning experience of birth. The discussions after simulated activities also enhanced my learning, and I feel more confident on placement because of my time in the simulation lab. I look forward to supporting women through pregnancy, birth and the postnatal period when I graduate.
My name is Amelia Hayes and I'm a final year student undertaking the Bachelor of Nursing and Bachelor of Midwifery degree. Lab simulations have given me the opportunity to sharpen my clinical knowledge in a supportive and controlled environment. I've been exposed to a number of emergency scenarios in a simulated environment, giving me the tools and knowledge to manage these real-life situations once I've registered. The simulations, as well as the lab classes, have also encouraged close relationships among my cohort. They've provided us with an opportunity and an environment to share our skills, knowledge and tips, and therefore build upon our own practice. Once I have graduated, I would like to work with women from a range of social and economic backgrounds, helping them to achieve optimal physical and mental well-being.
I'm Samantha Wray-McCann and I am in my final year of Bachelor of Nursing, Bachelor of Midwifery degree. I have been on birth centre placement during the COVID-19 crisis and now am helping at a blood pressure drop-in clinic as part of women's antenatal care. Hospital visitors are restricted because of COVID-19, so now more than ever it is so important that midwives are providing women-centred care. Clinical placements have equipped me with invaluable practical skills and experience. They have shown me how amazing nurses and midwives are and have told me how lucky I am to care for such strong and incredible individuals during such a challenging year. I cannot wait to stand alongside them next year as a graduate and support women through their pregnancy.